You tell me which question, example. Hello?
Example 11, third one, sir.
Example 11, third one. Example 11, third one question. Yeah, expect that x square plus 2 root 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is the question. Is asking what we have to say. We have to comment the nature of the roots. Okay. So
Yes,
either
sir.
that is real and equal, real and imaginary. Sorry, real and equal, real and distinct, imaginary. Uh, in that real and distinct, we have some rational, irrational also. So we have to say that is which type. We have to comment. Okay.
Sir.
Now, first of all, comparing with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 root 2, c is equal to 1, and we should decide by using the formula b square minus 4ac that I am writing here. B square minus 4ac is equal to b means 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 1. So here 2 root 2 whole square is clearly 8. Why? Because 2 square 4, root 2 whole square is 2. So 4 to the 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, which is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means the roots are real and distinct. The roots are real and distinct. Therefore, real roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. And also I gave you one condition that what? Depending on the position of A, B, C or B, we can say the roots are unequal and rational or unequal and irrational. See, if you observe the B value is irrational. Since B is irrational, roots are unequal. That means distinct and unequal both are same. Unequal and irrational. Unequal and irrational. So this is the solution. Okay. Already I expect that you will ask this question because we have in place of b 2 root 2. Actually I gave you to solve this problem since this is having 2 root 2. Okay, no problem. Copy fast. Okay.
Sir, example, I think.
Question number 15. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is exercise. No examples after 12. Up to 12 only we have examples.
Yes. Yes, sir. Exercise.
15th question.
Yes, sir.
Nimbostellena. No need. Arvit. See, question number 15 also. The question is what? Find the value of k for which the following equations has equal roots. So, question number 15 I am writing. Question number 15 is 3k plus 1 into x square plus 2 into k plus 1 into x plus k equal to 0 is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is this and b is this, c is this. I'm writing a equal to what? 3k plus 1 and b equal to what? 2 into k plus 1 and c equal to what? K. This is a, this is b, this is c. But here he is saying this equation having equal roots, but one has equal roots. One has equal roots. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is b? What is a? What is c? Just substitute here. What is b? B means this one, that is 2 into k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into what is a? This is a 3k plus 1. What is c? K is equal to 0. Why? Because having equal roots equal to 0 only. Delta equal to 0. That is for equal roots. Now b square. B means 2 into, right? We have to write whole bracket. Now 2 square is 4 and this is k plus 1 whole square. We have to apply a plus b whole square. K square plus 2k plus 1 square is 1. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Minus 4 into, multiply 3k into k. 3k square plus 1 into k plus k is equal to 0. Now we can take 4 common outside and taking that side 4 will be eliminated. 4 cancel. Now remaining what? K square plus 2k plus 1 minus into 3k square minus 3k square minus into plus minus k is equal to 0. Now see, this is 3k square. Now minus 3k square plus k square will be minus 2k square, and here minus k plus 2k will be plus k, and here plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can take minus common. Taking minus common, 2k square minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. Now factorization we have to do, that is what? 2 1 ja 2, 2 minus 1 1. So that is 2k square minus 2k plus k minus 1 is equal to 0. Now one more step I am writing, that what you know, from these two we can take 2k common. Taking 2k common, more k is there, minus 1 is there. From these two we can take 1 common, more k minus 1 is there, is equal to 0. Again we can take k minus 1 is equal, k minus 1 is common, and remaining part what here? Here 2k here plus 1, that is 2k plus 1 is equal to 0 is remaining part. Now apply 0 product rule, that is what? K minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Both are is equal to 0. Now k is equal to minus 1 taking that side plus 1, or 2k is equal to my plus 1 taking that side minus 1, then k is equal to minus 1 by 2. So what are the values of k? 1 comma minus 1 by 2. We can write, therefore, see, flower bracket when we are using, what are the values? Those only we should write. Okay,
Sir.
right.
Yes.
Copy this. 20th, 20.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that is the question 20th. Last question, right?
Yes, sir.
X square plus 4kx plus k square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now we have to find the value of k if this quadratic equation having equal roots. Comparing with standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is b. Here 1 is a. Why? Because nothing is there. Na coefficient of x square is always 1x square. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to, comparing with 4k, and c is equal to, this part is in place of c. That's why we can write k square minus k plus 2. This is c value. Since 1, this is equation 1, is having equal roots. 1 is having equal roots. Delta equal to 0. That implies b square minus 4ac equal to 0. What is b? 4k whole square. B square minus 4 into, what is a? 1. What is c? This is value of c, that is what? K square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here 4k whole square, 4 square 16, k square minus 4 into k square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. Now see, here 16 4 we can take 4 common. 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. So remaining here 2k square minus into plus minus k square minus into minus plus k minus into plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Again 2k square minus k square will be plus k square plus k minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here we have to do factorization, that is 1 2 is 2. We can write k square plus 2k minus k minus 2 is equal to 0. 2k minus k is k. Now we can take from these two common k. Taking k common, one more k is there plus 2 is there. From these two we can take minus 1 common, so more k is there plus 2 is there. Why? Because already we taken minus common, remaining plus is there, is equal to 0. Now we can take again k plus 2 common. So taking k plus 2 common, remaining here k, here minus 1. K minus 1 is equal to 0. So now we have to apply zero product rule. So that is k plus 2 is equal to 0 or k minus 1 is equal to 0. Now k is equal to taking left side plus 2 minus 2 or k is equal to plus 1 taking minus 1 that side. Therefore the k values k equal to what? Minus 2 comma 1. Since only two numbers, we can use flower bracket. Okay, copy this.
Yes, sir.
Now the remaining questions I am giving you now. So with this today's class, this chapter will complete. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now question number 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. More 5 questions there. In 21 question, show that the equation x square plus ax minus 1 is equal to 0. Show that the equation, this equation x square plus ax minus 1 equal to 0 has real and distinct roots. 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 Show that this equation has real and distinct roots. So very simple, for real and distinct roots, what is the condition? The condition is delta greater than 0. Now, by comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the value of a is the coefficient of x square is 1 and the value of b is coefficient of x is a and the value of c is this one constant minus 1. So, for real and distinct, for real and distinct, for real and distinct roots, delta greater than 0, delta greater than 0, for real and distinct roots, delta greater than 0. What is delta greater than 0? B square minus 4ac greater than 0. B square minus 4ac greater than 0. What is B? B is A square minus 4, A is 1. C is also minus 1 greater than 0. C is saying what? Show that this is having real and distinct roots. Then we have to prove that delta greater than 0, but we are taking delta greater than 0. If that is correct by solving, then we can say this is clearly having real and distinct roots. If we get less than, we can't say that is real, having real and distinct roots. Okay, so we are seeing, we are solving, and if you get this is clearly positive LHS, if LHS is positive, then this is correct, greater than 0 is correct. So I will give you in two ways. This is one way I am taking, that is a square minus into minus plus 4 greater than 0. Finish question. Solution finish. How, sir? See here, a square plus 4 greater than 0. This is a quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, we have only one unknown constant. What? That is a value. If you take any value in place of a negative or positive, you will get here positive. So I will check by taking a is equal to -2. Then what you will get? -2 whole square plus 4 greater than 0 or not? Clearly greater than 0. Why? Because -2 whole square is plus 4. 4 again 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, which is greater than 0. So correct. I am taking a equal to plus 2, positive number. Then this is 2 square plus 4 is equal to again 8, which is greater than 0. That's why if you take any value in place of a, you will get compulsory greater than or equal to 0. What you are getting greater than or greater than 0? This b square minus 4ac you are getting greater than 0. Means delta is greater than 0. Means this equation having real and distinct. Therefore, given equation has real and distinct roots. One more way I am taking. That is what up to here same. And after that, what is the change? To show this is having real and distinct root, we should show. We have to show that delta greater than 0. We have to show that delta is greater than 0. Therefore, delta is equal to what? B square minus 4ac is equal to what? B square, a square, minus 4, what is a? 1. What is c? Minus 1. What is c? Minus 1. See, this is equal to a square, minus into minus, plus 4. A square plus 4 is always a positive number. Why? Because for a, we have even power. If you have even power for any unknown constant, any variable, that is clearly positive. Why? Because if you substitute here negative value, by applying square, you will get positive. If you substitute here positive value, that is also clearly positive. So we can say this is clearly greater than 0, not 0, greater than 0. Therefore, delta greater than 0. If delta greater than 0, then we can say what? This equation having real and distinct roots. Understand, Jibin? Jibin, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next question number 22. Jibin,